Innovative designs and simple, easy-to-use one-button control make our thermometers ideal for use with babies, children, adults, and the elderly. There are many products available to choose baby thermometer, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baby thermometer from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. About this item. Non-contact technology for safe and hygienic use, with a built-in infrared temperature sensor. The iHealth PT3 thermometer can read a person's body temperature within 1.18 inches from the center of the forehead without physically touching the person. High accuracy via tri-point sensory, an ultra-sensitive infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points per second while distance and environmental sensors work together to account for other variables, ensuring maximum accuracy every time the temperature is taken. Simple, fast, clear, and quiet, with an intuitive single-button control design. The thermometer reads and shows the temperature in just 1 second on its easy-to-read, extra-large LED display, even in total darkness. When the temperature is read, the device gives a gentle vibration notification to the holding hand, no beeps or buzzes. Suitable for wide usage scenarios and all age groups, this iHealth thermometer is designed for all ages, ranging from babies and toddlers to the elderly. An ideal choice for at-home use and for hospitals, hotels, schools, and other public or private establishments. In the box, 1x iHealth PT3 thermometer, 2x AA batteries, 1x instruction manual, 1x quick user guide, our worry-free 12-month warranty, and friendly California-based customer service. Number 2. Digital thermometer for adults and kids. About this item. Weight heavy checkmark no contact thermometer. This touchless thermometer provides contactless accurate temperature reading that helps you avoid cross infections. No need to clean the thermometer after every use. Weight heavy checkmark, easy to use, innovative designs, and simple, easy to use one-button control make our thermometers ideal for use with babies, children, adults, and the elderly. Weight heavy checkmark fever alarm. There are 3 colors displayed on the LCD screen for different temperature levels. A clear large LCD screen display allows you to read day and night easily, and are easily switchable. Weight heavy checkmark advanced technologies for excellent performance. We provide ultra-sensitive sensors and the latest smart chip with the optimized algorithm to deliver reliable readings and ensure excellent performance. Just faster, more reliable, precise, and hygienic. Weight heavy checkmark 35 set memory recalls. The thermometer is equipped with an internal memory that can store up to 35 sets of data readings, allowing you to track the historical temperature changes for you and your family. BNANATERAP. Number 3. Non-contact thermometer for adults and kid. About this item. Non-contact infrared digital thermometer. The superior performance is delivered by its latest NT1 chip processor. The temperature can be precisely detected within 1 to 3 centimeters measurement distance, which is faster, safer, more reliably, and can effectively prevent cross-infection between multiple people. Instant and accurate reading. At the touch of the single button, the thermometer for home can read fast in just 1 second. The baby thermometer has been clinically tested and approved for its accuracy and reliability, and recommended by medical professionals. The accuracy of temperature measurement is only +0.4. Memory storage and auto fever alarm. The forehead thermometer can save 35 sets of temperature readings. You can easily track the historical temperature changes. Its LCD screen has 3 different colors according to different temperature levels. Multi-mode thermometer for all age. The thermometer for fever reads temperatures in ear and forehead for all ages. The temperature thermometer for adults, kids, and infants. And it can also measure the object temperature and room temperature. An ideal choice for public, hospitals, restaurants, schools, companies, homes, etc. 100% satisfaction guarantee. With eco-friendly and safe PP material, the no-touch temporal thermometer is not easily broken. Please rest assured to use. We provide 12-month warranty that ensures you a total hassle-free purchasing. Number 4. ADC Temple Touch Digital Fever Thermometer. About this item. Reduces the risk of cross-contamination and avoids the need for costly probe covers. Dimensions: 4, 7 zone. 1 7 zone, display, LCD, weight, 1.3 ounces. Last reading memory, dual scale, water resistant, large backlit display. Temp range, 95° F to 107. 6° F plus divided by 0. 2° F. Auto off function conserves battery life, audible tone when measurement is complete. Uses 2 AA batteries. Number 5. Amplum Non-Contact Digital Infrared Forehead Thermometer. About this item. Safe for all, non-invasive, contact-free IR infrared thermometers, comfortable, hygienic, and easier to use than rectal, oral, ear, or armpit thermometers. For use on adults, children, toddlers, or infants, Thermometer Parabibezo Adultos, ideal for doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals. Fast plus accurate, large, color LCD screen lights up green for normal, yellow for elevated, and red for high body temperatures. Audible fever alarm sounds at temperatures greater than 100.4 degF. Great value. Features include memory storage capacity for last 32 readings. Object mode will scan a liquid, object, or surface. Celsius or Fahrenheit settings, night light, auto off, energy saving capabilities. Sleek design. Sleek, modern design sets these thermometers apart from other gun thermometers. Portable and handheld, includes 2 AAA batteries. High quality. CNET Editor's Choice 2021. Trusted American company. Meets standards and regulations. FSA/HSA approved. Factory tested and comes with 2-year warranty. Manufactured in China. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.